This is the dead land, the silent land, where isolated images receive coding from dying hearts under fading screens. The eyes are not here in this valley of dying stars. This broken web of lost worlds, we text together, avoid speech, gathered on cracked servers. Here we go round the empty screen, empty screen, empty screen, at 5 in the morning. Between desire and data, dream and code, falls the shadow. Between human and machine, warmth and cold, falls the shadow. This is the way the world ends, not with a bang but a whimper. Not with a bang but a whimper. Not with a bang